What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 95, and yeah, they're really the gift that just keeps on giving, so please drop a like and subscribe. And now with that being said, let's dive into this. Looks like somebody's gonna get rear-ended. That's the vibe this video gives, but let's see. Or maybe not. That guy's like, hold on everyone, wait a minute. Jackie Chan is filming the Tuxedo Part 2, so I need to get this to him ASAP. But anyways, moving on to the next one. Whoa! His name is John Cena. God damn, that Crown Vic came in like a steam train. It was like, choo choo mother beep. Power! God damn, son. That was without a doubt the greatest power moment ever. Oh! That was a really stupid thing to do. That's the price you pay for stupidity. I only feel bad for that pickup driver. He couldn't do anything. Oh no, it's a Mustang, guys. Oh no. Oh, that's a curb. And that actually went pretty good, considering that was a Mustang. Oh, BMW's doing what they do best. Checking if the airbags are working. And look at this dude. My homie's like, wake me up when I give a damn. Nice. Way to go, bro. Way to go. But anyways, let's see what are these guys up to. They're doing a little switcheroo, I guess. Oh. Bless them, they tried. Oh, excuse me, next day delivery coming through. Whoa, hold it, bro, no! Whoa, that actually went much better than I thought. And in case you were wondering, this is what a good winter tire looks like. Plus that lawnmower in the back, I don't know what's that for, but anyways, on to some more BMW action. Let's see how this one will end. Like we don't know already. Oh, there we go, he kissed the wall. You know what, guys? Someone in the comment section said that the BMWs are just Mustangs in Europe. And you know what? They're not wrong. Come on, nice and easy. You're good, come on, come on, come on. Excellent. Hey yo, you can't park there, sir.
Hey mate! You can't park there!
Nice one. But wait a minute, how did they even get up there? Damn. Oh, that trailer went full Tokyo Drift. Luckily that guy reacted swiftly and saved himself. So good for him. Nobody, literally nobody. Arabs. I believe that's a pole position. So we're moving on to the next one. Whoa, what the hell was that all about? Stop! You just lost control for no reason. I'm confused. Šta reći koju postupu porati? Oni su broj 1 u Čintovilu. Oh, your diff is gone! Dead. Alrighty, let's see here. This looks very interesting. So far so good. Oh, and there goes a BMW, showing us once again how to end up in a ditch. Moving on to what appears to be a police chase. They're like, get your ass back here, boy! It looks like he's only got like 2 stars, so I'm sure he's gonna get away. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Audi driver, just help yourself. Be my guest, you dingleberry. Unbelievable. But meanwhile, in the land of freedom, please tell me he's not doing what I think he's doing. It's still red for them, but at this pace he's not gonna make it. And he's gonna make everybody wait like a douche. Let me know in the comments, is he doing this on purpose or he just has to drive slowly? Let me know down below. Oh, you cheeky little sausage. Wait, is that a... Oh! I was gonna ask if that was a cop, but it's a no then. I got my answer. For a minute I thought that was an undercover cop. And you know what, guys? That actually brings up a good question. Can a police officer in your country get a ticket for traffic offense? Like, for example, running over the trash can. But no, seriously guys, I know in theory they can, of course they can, but the reality is in my country they get away with a lot of stuff, and I mean a lot of stuff. And when I say a lot, I mean everything. They get away with everything. So let me know how that goes in your country. And it looks like now it's the moment when everybody is like, should I floor it or should I stop? And that guy decided to floor it and he crashed. He's in the mud. Get wrecked, son. You stupid. Oh, I hear sirens. Everybody move along. That's probably an ambulance. Oh, it is! God damn, man. Why? For God's sake. Some people are just unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's a communist 5-0, I believe. Oh! Got him! You busted, son. Sigurno mora donese tetki lek. Verovatno. Anyways, moving on. Right, time to deploy speed. Whack. Oh, and in the wall you go. Well deserved. That's what you get when you're on the phone while driving. Simple as that. Oh, that's a T-bone and a half. Let's see, here it's slippery out there. I started to malfunction, guys, so sorry for that. Whoa, that was incredibly stupid move for those conditions. I mean, for every condition, what the hell was that all about? Whoa. Whoa, 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 watch out, bro. Oh, there's more. Oh, life can go from 0 to 100 real quick. Everything was good and suddenly then, bam. We are in China now, if I'm not misinformed. And by the power of crutches, you shall not pass. God damn, that was funny. When you see a crotch poking out of the window, you know what's up. You know what's up. Whoa! Looks like New Year arrived early this year. If you know what I mean. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. That guy went full sended, by the way. Anyways, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And also please leave a like and subscribe if you're keen to see more of this stuff. And leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.